Everybody, unfortunately the other day I found out a giant thorn embedded itself in the tire of my jogging stroller, which if you are a parent who loves running is a huge disappointment. So I've been unable to run with my kids for 5 days, but good news, Amazon just delivered my tire tube. I got, you can't see it because it's backwards, from Goodyear, a 16-inch, which is what I needed. And I'm going to show you how to put it back in. Admittedly, I've never done this before, so you're going to be learning with me. But whether it's a jogging stroller or a bike tire, it's all going to be super similar. And forgive the messy garage. We, use it a lot. So let's try this. So I'm going to face this so you can see what I'm doing. So first, from what I understand, you want to find the valve. That's really important, and make sure it goes through the opening. So you can see I'm actually replacing the tube. The tire itself is okay. There's a hole in it, but it doesn't matter because that's not what's holding the air. Oh, see? Step number one is going to be to remove the cap. Oops. Put that down in a safe place so it does not roll away. Been there and done that. Chased one of those around. It is not a fun experience. So I hope you can see here. Oh no, that is easier said than done. Okay. Alright, so hopefully that's the worst step in the process. Now I'm going to make sure my tube is laying in there, as it should be. I'm going to guess, oh, see, that wasn't in the safest place. I'm going to guess that it's going to be easier to turn the rim here. So you just kind of wiggle all of this around and in so that it's laying as flat as it can be. Okay. Now, oops, see, it's not as easy as it looks. Okay. So now that I've got it pretty well shoved in there, now I've got to put the wheel itself back on, because if it inflates, I feel like I'm not going to be able to do this correctly. Oh man, this is a lot harder than I might have thought. Okay, so I've got everything in the rim here. Both tube and tire, alright. I feel like this is like one of those comedy shows where every time the main character turns around, someone else is sabotaging them from behind. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm gonna fill up right now with my air compressor that's super loud, so I will tune back in with the final product here in a minute.